This is the electronics bag that I will be taking. I have a portable charger, the adapter for that, my phone charger, my watch charger, and this is the adapter that I was showing you guys, and this is the plug that will be the adapter, and it also has the 4 USB ports. It takes a fuse that's in there when you buy it, but sometimes they blow and then this won't work. But I'm bringing an extra in case you need it if yours blows and you have this. That's the adapter. These are for my phone in case my earbuds don't have power. Earbuds for the plane to listen to stories. And then I have to bring this kind for the tour sound system because it takes this kind of plug. We use data sims because the data programs here in Canada are so expensive, the plans. So we use data sims, we don't use our cellular plans. I have to bring that. And then of course this for taking our sim out and storing it, and the little thing that clicks out the SIM card. Extra rubber bands for cords. And then I have to bring my computer cord because we're going to be using it for downloading or uploading the pictures to the cloud of all the trip pictures that we take. So that's in my electronics bag. This is my medical bag. I have Dayquil, NyQuil, antidiarrheal pills, non-drowsy antihistamine, Dramamine for motion sickness, iron supplements, ibuprofen, Rolaids, and melatonin for resetting my body clock for jet lag. All goes neatly in a little see-through bag. This is my miscellaneous bag. I have a sewing kit, eyeglass kit, shaver that has the gel stick on it, toothbrush, a little first aid kit with Band-Aids, and once I get there I'll put my polysporin in here as well. Stick deodorant so it doesn't count as a liquid, a little mirror, my hair accessories, my tweezers, fingernail clippers, those all go in here. Extra set of glasses in case I break these or lose them because they're prescription glasses. Kleenexes for the bathrooms. These are a disposable bathroom wipe as well that are moistened. These are antibacterial wipes for hands that I keep and take with me during the day. I also have a little Thieves antibacterial gel as well. And these came with a clothes hanger set, and I like them because I can clip them onto a clothes hanger there to dry underwear, tights, things like that. I can just clip them on there and let them hang. And that's the miscellaneous bag. Toiletry bag. This is the freezer medium size Ziploc. And I always put the larger stuff first. There's the hairspray. I take 2 things of mousse, the toothpaste, sunscreen, polysporin, my Endoflex oil I need, essential oil, Thieves antibacterial hand stuff. And those all go nicely in my